Hi bot friends, my name is Max and today I'm gonna introduce the latest feature of BOTfriends X Analytics, funnels. With funnels you can measure how your users navigate through defined scenarios within the conversation. I will lead you step by step through the new funnels feature. So we're going to cover what funnels are in general, how you can create them, and lastly how you can analyze them. So let's get into it. Funnels is a new feature within BOTfriends X Analytics and is now enabled. You can find it here. First of all, I'm gonna tell you how funnels works in general. A funnel consists of various steps. Each step contains one or multiple intents. The funnel shows how many users matched an intent for each step in the given sequence during the session. Let me give you an example. This funnel contains 3 steps. Step 1 contains the intents intent A and intent B. Step 2 contains the intents C and D. And step 3 contains only the intent E. If several intents are together in one step, these are either or. That means you only need to hit one of them to go through the funnel. Now, let's see how users can navigate through the funnel. For example, a user matches intent A, intent C and intent E during the session. He or she will be counted in all steps. In the next example, a user only matches intent B during the session. This user will only be counted in step 1. In the third example, another user matches intent D and then intent E. This one will not be counted because he or she did not enter the funnel via intent A or B. Let's get to the creation of funnels. You can create a funnel for each scenario you want to analyze. Let me show you how you can do it. First, click on Create Funnel. Then define a funnel name and a description. The description is optional and we're gonna let it out here. In the third step, you can enable or disable allow interruptions. If allow interruptions is enabled, users will also be counted if they match additional intents between the intents of each step. Now you can add one or multiple intents in step 1. Users will only be counted in the funnel when they enter the funnel via one of the intents defined in step 1. After the first step, you can add following steps each with one or multiple intents. You can add up to 20 steps and up to 5 intents per step. You can change the order of the intents within step via drag and drop. This just helps you to organize the funnel, but it does not affect the calculation of it. After you finished everything, click on Create and see your now finished funnel. Lastly, we cover analyzing funnels. By clicking on a funnel, the result chart for your selected date range and channel will appear here. In this chart, you can analyze how your users went through your defined scenario. Here, we have built 3 metrics for you that help you analyzing your results. The first metric is the user per step and intent. You can analyze how many users entered and went through the funnel per intent. In our example, 2,160 people started with intent booking and almost 2,000 went with the intent booking arrival date. And so on and so on. This metric gives you a general overview of your funnel. The second metric I'm going to show you is the exit rate per step. For each step you will also find the exit rate, which is a percentage of how many users exited the funnel. Looking at our funnel, the highest exit rate is between step 4 and step 5. In this example, 9% left the conversation after they went into intents booking Munich or booking London. This metric reveals where exactly we can make improvements in the process and make our bot stronger. The third metric is the completion rate. The completion rate shows how many users completed the whole funnel based on the users that entered the funnel. This funnel has a completion rate of 76%. This metric shows the overall success of your funnel. So that's all you need to know about the new funnels feature within Analytics. In this video we covered what funnels are in general, how you can create them and how you can analyze them. For a full overview for the new funnels feature, check out our BOTfriends X documentation, which I will link right below down here in the video description. I hope you liked today's session. Thanks for watching and continue creating conversations.